In this example, I will show how do we use the HatchBrush. HatchBrush are actually used to fill the closed region. Say for example, in the previous example you saw how do you draw a rectangle for a given position and size, and then you picked a pen color and then picked a size, drawn a rectangle. So the rectangle drawn is an example for the closed region. Say for example, this is a closed region, right? This rectangle is an example for the closed region. HatchBrush are used for doing the fill. Here I am enabling the fill pattern, and we choose red. So here I click the draw, and if you see this outer frame which is shown in the pale golden color is the rectangle drawn using the pen. Then inside this rectangle you see a red color paint applied inside to fill the entire area. So this can be done using the HatchBrush. I'm sorry, using the solid brush. So this is the logic. When you want to draw or when you want to perform a line drawing, people usually use the pen, and if you want to paint something inside the closed region, we should usually go for the brush. Here what I am showing is the solid brush. I provided a 3 different color. Using the solid brush, you can fill the closed region with a standard solid colors. Here I used the red, green, blue, but there will be a lot of other combinations available. You can use the color dot to know what are all the different presets pen available. Okay, now I am moving to the advanced brush. So the mode here shows the brush is a gradient brush. Previously what I shown to you is the solid brush, and using that if you see I already filled the color of blue. Now I will move to gradient brush. Gradient brushes are useful when you want to apply color from one type of color to another type of color. Say for example blue to green. That means I can apply a blue color here and green color here. So both will come and merge at some middle point with different gradation. So there will be a gradient style also, which is not shown here. In the article I explained what other gradient types you can use. So for example I click the yellow as a from gradient color, then green as the to gradient color. Let's see, I will apply the drawing and you see how the brush applies the color inside this closed region. So this is how it paints in the gradient mode. The left side it is yellow. That's what I picked here as the from color, and the to color I picked green. So if you look at both the edge, I mean the right edge is green and left edge is yellow. But if you go in the middle, the color is in a mixed. The color is mixed between green and yellow. Let me show one more example. I pick blue here. Blue and green is mixed in the center, and left side is blue, right side is green. So how the gradient should be applied, that can be selected using the gradient pattern. Here it is a horizontal. You can choose vertical, diagonal, all those stuff. look at the article. I specified a screenshot where what are all the gradient types possible. Now let's move to the HatchBrush. So far you have seen two kind of brushes. One is solid brush, which fills a solid color inside a closed region. Gradient brush, color changes from one color to another color in a horizontal way or a vertical way or diagonal way based on the gradient type that you pick. Now I am moving it to the HatchBrush. There are a lot of patterns available in HatchBrush. I will show horizontal, vertical pattern, wave and brick. There are lots of other patterns available. You can refer Amazon to know what are all the other patterns available. First let me choose yellow as the back color, blue as the fore color. If we have both color as same, fore and back color, then you won't actually see the hatch applied on the region. Let me show the horizontal one first. Remember, the fore color is blue and back color is yellow. Pattern is horizontal. I'll perform a drawing. So this is how it appears. The back color is yellow, fore color is blue, and the hatch is applied horizontally. If I move it to vertical, this will be applied vertically. A wave looks like this. Brick looks like this. Thank you.